Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to increase your spending power on American Express. Now because unlike a traditional credit card, this card does not have any preset spending limit. Okay, this gives you flexible spending capacity. So the amount basically you are spending adapts based on factors. For example, purchase, payment, credit history. I'll show you what you need to do. So you just use your card responsibly and just wait. Sometimes your card issuer will automatically increase your card limit after you've consistently demonstrated that you can use the card responsibly, right? So go ahead and do that. Sometimes you just have to ask. If you haven't received an automatic increase, doesn't mean you're not eligible, right? You might just have to ask because the card issuers may let you request a credit card limit increase online or by phone. They'll just, probably assess your personal information to determine your level of financial risk. Okay, things like your employment status, your gross income, your mortgage, your rental payments. Right, go ahead and do those things. Just pay on time, right? Make sure you're paying all your accounts on time, including those outside of American Express. And what you can also do is go ahead and enroll an auto pay. Make sure you never miss a payment. Try using your card regularly. Right? If you don't really pay off your balance in full each month, go ahead and do that. Gradually increase your total monthly payment amount with them over time. This is a very, very key factor which they are also mentioning. And just overall maintain a good credit profile. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.